Hello you guys, as you can see here I have a pretty big box. This is from AT's Times Hussein Cafe, and of course I did the offline event for overseas fans. So I did buy 8 albums. I can't exactly remember why I bought 8. I know it's so I can have a photo card set, but like I don't remember which set I'm gonna get. I ordered these quite a bit ago, so yeah, with that in mind, if I'm confused or I can't name what photo card it is, then that is why. So as you can see, the first thing is this. The first thing on the top is this set, photo card set. I'm not looking at them yet. And another photo card set there. Y'all, look at the amount of cards this is. So, oh wow, it's a lot of them. They're quite thick as well. So Hongjun, Songhwa, Yunho, Yeosang, San, Mingi, Wooyoung, Jungkook, Hongjun, and Songhwa. So I guess I got 2 extras of these, and they're like really thick, and I really like these. These other ones, so this is the Hello 82 cards. I only need Yeosang, Yunho, and Songhwa for the Hello 82 cards. These are mixed cards, so these are the Hello 82 fan sign cards, 1 Wooyoung Soundwave, and then 3 Wonderwall cards. So now I have these ones, which are the Who's Fan Cafe cards. I think I'm gonna have this set first. If I could pick it up. Oh my god. This is ghetto. This is like really ghetto and embarrassing, but yeah, I picked it up. Here it is. Let's start putting them in their place. And like I said, if anyone has the green version Who's Fan cards and they want to trade them out, and they specifically have Hongjuns and, oh wait, no, so I got Songkwa's green one. Okay, hold on, let me put these up to see whose I didn't get, because I know I didn't get Hongjuns, but I did get Songkwa's, and that's the card they gave me. So I didn't get Jungkook. They didn't give me Jungkook, so I don't have Hongjun or Jungkook for this version. So if you have Hongjun or Jungkook's card and you need this orange version thick plastic type card for Hongjun or Jungkook, please trade me for them. So yeah, put those there. And then of course this one, which they did give me the full set for. I don't understand why they wouldn't give me the full set for the other ones instead. And they gave me 2 of these versions. I don't understand why they would do that, but okay. I guess that makes sense for them. This is my first full set of Zero Fruit Part 3 cards, so I'm happy. Even if I don't seem like it, I'm very happy. Because, yeah. There they are. Beautiful and complete. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that.